Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Toloka and make money by completing online tasks. First, visit the Toloka website and click on Login to begin the registration process. Once you're on the next page, select Earn Money and choose the account you want to use for signing up. For this tutorial, we'll use Google. After that, enter your phone number and wait for the verification code. Once you receive the code on your mobile, enter it and continue by filling in your personal information. The next step is important because you'll need to select the language or languages you can use for completing projects. Once you've selected your languages, click on Create Profile. After creating your profile, you'll be taken to your Toloka dashboard. To access more opportunities, make sure your profile is complete by uploading your CV or manually adding your information. A complete profile can help you access more available gigs. Once your profile is complete, you can browse through different tasks. These may include tasks like choosing which image is better or recording videos, with some tasks offering up to $60 per day depending on what is available and how much each task pays. Simply click Start on a task you want to complete and follow the instructions provided. Toloka connects you with different tasks that you can complete to earn money. You may also come across sensitive or explicit tasks, which you can choose whether or not to accept. Once you've earned some money, you'll need to set up a payment method. To do this, go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and select Payments. Then, click on Add New Payment Method. Here, you can choose available options, such as Payoneer or PayPal. After setting up your payment method and completing enough tasks, you'll be able to see the withdrawal option and withdraw your earnings. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.